Hello there, this is Habib with a quick demo of Datablist. Datablist is an easy to use yet powerful data cleaning, enrichment and workflow automation platform, and as the simple description suggests, Datablist contains of three parts. The first part is data sourcing and enrichment, the second part is data cleaning, deduplication and editing, and the third part is workflow automation and scheduling. Let me open Datablist and show you a bit around the app. I will start with showing you the sources first, which is the first thing you will see when creating a spreadsheet in Datablist. Sources are perfect to get started if you don't have any data yet. Our most loved sources are the waterfall people search, which allows you to create lead lists from scratch using more than 13 different filters. Then we have the job posting search, which scrapes 19 different job boards simultaneously. The job posting search comes also with 15 filters, so you can scrape only relevant data. And then we have the AI scraping agent, which allows you to scrape any website, e-commerce store, or even directory using a simple prompt. Besides those, we have also many other useful sources and are constantly adding new ones. Should you already have a dataset that's incomplete, out of date, or just needs to be edited at scale, then you can use our enrichment library to populate your data or process and edit it with AI. Think of Datablist's enrichment library as a toolkit that contains over 60 tools, including enrichments such as a domain finder, waterfall email finder, a technology lookup, LinkedIn profile scrapers, and more. Processors such as Anthropic's Claude, DeepSeek, and ChatGPT. Then we have some other geolocation and translation tools. And then we have also few automation utils that give you more control over your automations. Enriching or processing your data with Datablist works always in the same way. You select an enrichment, then you define your settings and input property, then you select your outputs, run it, and wait a few seconds. Now that you have seen how to source and enrich data with Datablist, the next thing I will show you is how to deduplicate and clean data. Let's start with deduplication first. In Datablist, you can deduplicate across a single or multiple files. To do so, click here on Clean, choose the Duplicates Finder, and then select the column you want to duplicate on. When Datablist finds duplicated records in your file, it will let you auto-merge the exact duplicates, and for records with conflicting values, you will be asked to either swap or combine the conflicting values based on a predefined master item rule you can choose from. If you want to do something more advanced, switch to the AI editing and set the rules yourself. Data cleaning part of Datablist is as easy to use as the deduplication. We designed it purposefully to be beginner friendly so that all new users can get their work done without feeling overwhelmed by too many features. When you click Edit, Extract, or Clean, you will have multiple quick actions that allow you to process your data very easily. These quick actions include cleaning company names, finding and replacing values, and removing symbols and emojis. If none of the quick actions fit your use case, you can also use the AI editing, which allows you to do more advanced data manipulation tasks with a simple prompt. For example, you could use it for unit conversion, dynamic data editing, or anything else you can imagine. All of the features I just showed you are also automatable. The most popular automation use cases we see among users is to set up automated scraping and research processes. Automating a task is very easy to do. Here's how to do it. You go to your data source or enrichment you want to automate, you set up your inputs and settings, and then you click on continue. But now, instead of running it immediately, you click here on Schedule Import, you select your frequency, you select the time and the time zone, and click on Schedule Import. That's it. You can also automate all other enrichments and not only data sources. Automating enrichments works in the same way. Beyond automating a single task, you can also chain up multiple tasks together and build more sophisticated workflows. Hey guys, it's me again, Habib. As we are ending this quick demo of Datablist, I wanted to share with you the top 3 reasons why people choose Datablist above other platforms. First reason is Datablist is very easy to use. Like, very easy to use, much easier than Clay. Second reason is that we help you to get any data as long as it's somewhere in the internet. Third reason is that you get data sourcing, data enrichment, data cleaning, and automation all within one platform. So if you want to know something about us as a company, we are a small team of humans and AIs. We don't want to change how people work and we don't have any big mission. We just build because we like our product and it's also very fun. If you book a demo with us through one of our links, you will be either speaking to me or to Florian. Florian is based in Nantes, France. I am based in Frankfurt, Germany. Therefore, we can do demos in German, French, and English. If you have any questions, general feedback, or feature requests, feel free to reach out to us. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.